Today is Monday, February 5th, and let's get into this month's market update. Let's hop into it, shall we? Apologies, you may hear my generator in the background. It is the day after the February 2024 winter storm. At least the local real estate market hasn't been as crazy as last night's storm, because it was a gnarly one. Anyway, let's hop into it. Overall, the local market is actually off to a really good start. Our predictions are holding true, and we have seen a little bit of an interest rate decrease already this year with some lenders, which is awesome. Now, we are kind of witnessing the real-time plays of the decisions from the Federal Reserve. Right now, the Fed is keeping rates steady around 5.25%, 5.5%. Again, that's the federal funds rate, not mortgage rates, but I'll explain why that's important in a second. Jerome Powell did confirm they don't intend to reduce the rates this month, but the next Federal Reserve decision is on March 20th. Let's see if they do anything next month. Studies are showing about a 56% probability that the rates will go down after that decision, and if they don't, probably later on in May. Even standing where we are today, the share of income needed to afford a home is much less than it was back in October, which was a 28-year high. That's a great thing for home buyers that are just on the cusp of being able to buy a home. Remember, the Federal Reserve does not control the exact mortgage interest rates. Instead, they actually influence the mortgage rates pretty heavily because the federal funds rate is the interest rates that banks charge each other to borrow money. So basically, how that changes affects the cost of borrowing money from a bank. And that in turn increases or decreases mortgage interest rates. So they're directly related, but not directly impacted, if that makes sense. Let's see how consumers will continue to benefit this. Let's see how consumers continue to benefit from lower mortgage rates and more stable home prices throughout 2024 and as we head towards the spring season. Hoping this will in turn cause some more supply, which again will just continue to make housing more affordable this year. So let's see where we head up. Thank you so much for watching this month's market update. I hope you found this information useful. Let me know how else I can answer your questions in the meantime. I'll see you next month.